Good morning. My name is Ramananda Mishra. Today I'm presenting how AI can be used to improve our product offering of our company. Agenda for today's presentation is we will list the three key projects where AI is used to improve the product, followed by the detailed analysis of automation of transmission lines inspections. Here are the three key projects that our companies offerings where AI is used. Automation of transmission line inspections. We'll talk about this project in details in following slides. Intelligent 3D substation designs with machine learning technology. Transmission lines conductor stringing using drones and AI technology. Transmission lines inspections is carried out to minimize the force maintenance, power disruptions, and avoid any possible bushfires. Traditionally, this was carried out by the inspectors driving along the power lines, looking for any anomalies. If they found something, they climb up the towers and take appropriate actions. Problem with this technique was this was very risky, time consuming, and sometimes there were certain sections which were very inaccessible. To improve the situations, helicopter was introduced in the industries, which significantly reduced the risk and improved the timings and accessibilities. However, in today's world, helicopters is not a economical options, and no and another issue is the sustainability associated with the helicopters, as helicopter consumes huge amount of fuel, it's noisy and release tons of toxins into the air. uh, Considering development in the drone technologies and AI technologies, our company initiated a pilot project to use drones for transmission line inspections. Idea behind that is the working pilot can remain on the ground at a safe distance from HV lines. What is the objective of this project? There is two objectives. Short-term objective is to find eco-friendly and economic alternative to the helicopters, and the long-term objective is to automate the transmission lines inspections by using drones, AI machine learning techniques. As we know, drone can be used to capture the high definition images of the structures, footings, conductors, insulators, rust, cracks, any unstable concrete, uh, and all those images. At the same time, with the help of thermal imaging sensors, uh, drone can capture the temperatures and hence create the heat maps to detect the hot spots. Data storage. Every utility conduct in transmission line inspections every 2 years or following a major weather event. The raw data captured by the drones are stored in drone suppliers or the pilot servers, as well as the inspection contractors server, which is our company servers at two locations to enhance the security and reliability. The refined data are shared with the customers along with the diagnostic reports, which contain the future maintenance plans. The data is kept until new inspection is carried out and the old data is replaced. So bi-yearly. What is the use of machine learning in this transmission line inspections? How we can use it? In today's most of the time in today's applications, drone pilots operate the drones and capture the high definition images of the assets, and the transmission line inspectors evaluate those images and find the um, uh, provide recommendations, maintenance recommendations for the utilities. But in future, machine learnings can be used to evaluate those thousands of images and identify any defects into those asset categories, and can generate preventive maintenance plans. With the RKT positioning systems, which is real-time kinematic positioning systems, drone can fly in the same path or can remember the path, which can be used for the future inspections. Uh, the way AI is developing, and with this RKT systems, we will be able to automate from data collections to the data processings in futures, and this will automate the transmission lines inspection systems. Stakeholders for this project obviously is the general public, which main concern is the privacy, especially during the drone flight in urban areas. Others stakeholders are the drone pilots. Their concerns is along with the privacies, the life cycle assessment, and the green design of the drones, utilities, privacy, data breach, and use by the terrorist organizations, environment and sustainability ethics in drone supplies, and the inspection contractors, which is in this case us, has the similar concerns as utilities. Q&A. There are a few questions that came from the general publics, like how we can improve the privacy concern of the general publics. This can be addressed by improving the security feature of the drones to ensure that it could be traced back to the drone owners. And this can be achieved by having a proper registration systems of the drones. Another questions that came in was how will you ensure sustainability supply chains? This can be done by enforcing ethical guidelines to the drone suppliers and the users. The third questions was, can we capture the privacy requirement in design? Yes, we can, and this can be achieved by translating complex social, legal, and ethical concerns into the system requirement. Thank you.